to really make this successful, in my opinion, is that you have to have some amount of money in reserve so that you are not relying upon what's happening or coming from trading for that month, the next month, or the next 6 months or more, because it will greatly affect how you view this, and you're going to make bad decisions based upon the facts of saying, well, I need to make this win because I need to pay my mortgage next month. It's a losing proposition because, well, do I not make this adjustment because I got to go to the doctor and I can't afford to make the adjustment? And I have actually heard that from people, okay? It's pretty interesting when it gets down to it, but people take it very seriously. You have to be able to be aware of kind of the big picture and hopefully not put that pressure on yourself, because it's greatly going to affect, I think, the success of your trading.
Yeah, it's not impossible, but it's extremely difficult to trade that way. And realistically, if you can make a living, I want to be clear, you can make a fantastic living trading. It can be a great thing, but you're not going to do it on a shoestring. You need to be able to trade in a manner where if you get a 3-month losing period, it sucks, yeah. But ultimately, it's not that big a deal in the grand scheme of things. And you can kind of go on and continue trading.